Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you my May favorites. I've got a big basket, jo bhi bol lo, of products. These products have got hair, makeup, skincare, hair care, everything. So if you want to know what were my May favorites, which I might be repurchasing again, stay tuned. I will be starting off with the hair. I have put timestamps. You can go ahead if you don't want to see one particular product. So अब start करते हैं hair के साथ. By the way, all these products will be linked in the description box below. So make sure if you want to buy something, you can go ahead and click on that link ताकि आपको easy हो. First and foremost, something which I have been loving and I cannot live without is my Alan Truman Blow Brush. If you are following me on Instagram, you have seen me use this particular product for like almost every day because every time I wash my hair, I use this. This gives me the perfect blowout. I don't need to go to the salon anymore. Just get a good haircut ताकि आपके वो blow dry effect show करे. Yeah, you will be sorted. You do not need a Dyson. You do not need anything. This is more than enough and I cannot stop raving about this. I think this will be in my every month फेवरेट वीडियो क्योंकि ये तो मैं लाइक हर मंथ ही यूज करती हूँ एंड आई जस्ट सिंपली लव दिस कैनॉट लिव विदाउट दिस. Now, as I told you that I have been using this blow brush every day on my hair, I do need to protect my hair as well, which is why I have been using and loving this BBlunt Heat Protectant Hair Mist. I make sure that on my wettish hair, I apply this and apply it thoroughly, comb it before I use the blow brush because I feel everyday use करने से अगर आप कोई भी टूल यूज करते हो, a heat protectant is a must and this is good, affordable, कुछ ना कुछ offers भी लगे रहते हैं, so you can definitely go ahead and purchase this. I love leave-in hair conditioners and I have been loving this one by Bare Anatomy. This is the anti-frizz, tames frizzy hair. So again, before the heat protectant, I use this on my hair. I feel that my hair becomes smoother, my hair becomes more manageable before I do the blow dry. That is why I feel a leave-in hair conditioner is a must if you have frizzy hair and you can buy from anything like anywhere. Bare Anatomy का मुझे अच्छा लगा. I have also used their shampoo and conditioner, the conditioner tub, the mask, but this is also something I really liked using. Let's start one of my favorite items now, which is skincare. So for my body, I loved two body lotions, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the one by Nykaa. This is the Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea body lotion. It is so good for summer season, guys. If you are in a very hot and humid place, I would definitely recommend this. And it smells amazing. It smells like, I don't know, it smells fresh and it has like a perfumey fragrance, but I really like this and you can go ahead to any Nykaa store and आप इसका tester try कर सकते हो. I have also used their mist, इसी same fragrance का है, so you can definitely try it out. ये वाला बहुत अच्छा है Mediterranean Sea because it absorbs quickly and it does not feel very greasy, especially in the summer season. Next is this body lotion by Plum. I think the Plum company has rebranded themselves, so I don't know if this particular one will be available or not. जो भी होगा मैं link कर दूंगी, but this is the one that I use. It doesn't have a very strong fragrance, but at the same time it keeps you hydrated and moisturized for a really long time without feeling very tacky. Like थोड़ा thick है ये, so make sure आप इसको कम use करो, but again smoothens out your skin very well. Continuing with skincare, a sunscreen is a must during the summer season that we are having. So I personally liked this one by Dot & Key. This is the Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen with SPF 54+ and affordable है, good है, white cast नहीं leave करता and at the same time it's like slightly cooling. It doesn't irritate your skin. ऐसा कोई that burning sensation नहीं होता है, but it gives a very slight cooling to your skin and I feel this is a really good. I don't know about the vitamin C one. I have not used that one, but this is really good, affordable and I will definitely purchase more of this. Continuing with sunscreens, this is the one that I loved. I am still using this. ये empty नहीं हुआ है because this is not an empties video. कुछ चीजें खाली हुई हैं, कुछ चीजें नहीं हुई हैं. So this is the one thing that I have been loving in the month of May and I will be loving in the future months as well. This is a tinted sunscreen with SPF 50 PA4+, again by Dot & Key. This is something that I do not use on an everyday basis when I want like a foundation effect, but I don't want to use foundation. थोड़ा slightly सा, you know, that slight सा मुझे better effect चाहिए होता है, then I use this. अगर मुझे everyday use करना है, definitely I'll use this. But थोड़ा सा tint चाहिए होता है, then I use this along with my compact, and I set my face, and I do get a very good coverage effect. So a skincare routine, be it a morning or a nighttime skincare routine, is a very important thing which everyone must keep in their schedule. And I have been trying to test out new products क्योंकि इतना कुछ आया हुआ है market में. So I have been trying this brand Clayco. I'm sure आपने बहुत ज़्यादा ads देखी होंगी Clayco की all over the internet, which is why I got, of course, I get influenced very quickly. So I got this rice sleep mask from them and I used this for the entire month. ये तो पूरा empty हो चुका है. What I felt, if you have got already clear skin, this will work magic on you. आपकी skin बहुत glowy होएगी when you get up in the morning, and जो वो ads दिखाते हैं वो true होएगा. If you've got skin like me, that is oily combination, acne prone skin, especially if you have acne, it will not cure acne. पहले तो बहुत clear होगा. This is not for acne, so it will not cure acne, but at the same time it's very lightweight. I feel that it does give a glow to your skin when you get up in the morning. So I feel that I really enjoyed using this. Will I repurchase this? I'm not sure. I will not, I think, because you know, मेरी acne skin पे ये सब चीज़ें काम नहीं करती हैं. So why would I waste money on this? I've got more things to waste my money on. So I will not be repurchasing this, but I loved and enjoyed using it. So a thing which I actually will be repurchasing is from Clayco again. This is the acne paste. This is what it looks like. It has, I think, 10% salicylic acid. Yes. So this, if you put, this is not like, इसकी रिव्यू में मैं Clayco का पूरा ब्रांड का रिव्यू, बिकॉज आई हैव परचेज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, आई विल डू द एंटायर रिव्यू ऑफ Clayco इन अ सेपरेट वीडियो. बस बट इसके बारे में अगर बात करें, दिस इज नॉट अ वन नाइट एक्ने स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, इफ यू हैव गॉट एक्ने, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक वेरी बैड एक्ने लास्ट मंथ, so I use this. Overnight नहीं काम करता ये, but if you use it every single day, then definitely you will see the result of your acne just subsiding down. This product has to be hands down my favorite toner of all time. I do not use any other toner. This is by Plum. This is the rice and niacinamide water toner, and आप इसको अपने स्किन केयर में भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप इसको अपने मेकअप के बाद भी यूज कर सकते हो. So like today, I forgot to actually use toner before applying my moisturizer. So what I did is I just use this on top of my makeup right now, and my makeup just feels a little more fresh, especially in this heat. तो मुझे थोड़ा fresh feel करना होता है, so I use this particular toner. This is my second bottle. Highly recommended if you want your pores to look a little reduced. You know, this does that as well. And spray bottle में है, easy to use है, affordable भी है, so must have. Last thing in skincare is this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Again, ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है because ये खत्म होता ही नहीं है. It is so worth the money. I feel कि ये खत्म ही नहीं होता. I still have a lot of product left, and I use this every single night. Can you believe it? Every single night. The only problem that I have been facing is कि इसकी जो fragrance है, I think this is the berry, yeah. This is the berry. Like now, it's not expired or anything. पूरा साल पड़ा है इसको expire होने में, but still I feel that the fragrance has changed as if it were an expired product. You know, that smell that comes जो कि fresh नहीं होती बिल्कुल, वो smell इससे आने लग गई है. I don't know what and why. हर किसी के साथ होता है कि मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है, but still it is applying beautifully every single day. I still use it and I love using it over my lipsticks as well. So इसीलिए मुझे ये product बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can buy the balm also if you don't want to buy this lip sleeping mask, and I think it will help you as well if you've got chapped lips. I have been loving lip oils. Like, I am obsessed with lip oils now, but I do not want to waste my money on it. Hence, I have ordered this one from Mars. This is the Nectar Kiss Plumping Color Changing Lip Oil. No, it is not plumping at all. It gives a little bit of a cooling sensation on your lips, but that's it. That too very slight. And you can see पूरा खत्म हो गया है. मैंने इसको उल्टा कर लिया ताकि मुझे प्रोडक्ट मिले. I love this. It is so moisturizing. It is so hydrating. I do not use this in the night time. रात को मैं lip sleeping mask use करती हूँ Laneige का. But in the daytime, if I feel like my lips are very chapped and you know I'm not feeling it, I definitely use this lip oil all over my lips and I just call it a day. It's amazing, gives you a very glass effect looking lips, but at the same time moisturizes it as well. And I have already ordered another variant. I have ordered the berry one already, वो आ चुका है मेरे पास. I will make another video of the haul. But yeah, this is something I would highly recommend if you want to buy a good lip oil and you don't know what to do. ये affordable है and it's very good. Coming to the last category, which is my personal favorite, that is makeup. I have got 8 to 10 articles to show you. I have got affordable and expensive things as well. So I mean, just पहले ही बता रही हूँ, ये मत बोलना कि मैं सारा expensive show कर रही हूँ. So first thing I have to show you, everyone is traveling in June. So May favorite is going to be this Mars 3-in-1 trio. This is what it looks like. It has got an eyeliner, mascara and a liquid shadow all in one. Honestly, this is so good if you are traveling. आपको तीनों चीजें एक में मिल जाती हैं. You do not need to carry any eye product because eye shadow भी इसी में ही है and वो भी glitter eye shadow. So it's a good party thing. You can even throw it in your purse if you're going out for partying, if you want to touch up or something, and this is really good. Even the mascara and the eyeliner inside this product is really good, and if you're traveling again, this is a must have. Next thing जो actually empty हो गई है is the e.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip primer. I have today only opened up this new backup that I have क्योंकि पुराना वाला बिल्कुल empty हो चुका है, and I did not expect to fall in love with this primer so much. I have actually used this on my clients as well, especially in the summer season when I want my makeup to last longer. कोई pores नहीं fill होते, इससे कोई smoothing effect नहीं होता. For that you need another primer, but this will stick your foundation, it will stick your base product, but at the same time it will give you a very glowing effect on your skin. I have actually used it today as well for my base and देखो इतनी गर्मी पड़ रही है, मैंने AC भी नहीं ऑन किया, still my makeup is good. Next up are lipsticks. So I am loving, people keep on asking me which particular shade do you use, and they see my Instagram stories and my videos and they're like क्या use कर रही हो भाई, मुझे भी बताओ. So this is the product that I use. I'm telling you my secret. I use this on my clients as well. This is the one by Character Cosmetics. I'll link it below. This is in the shade 001. This is the lipstick it's a matte lipstick. It's a very, very nude. So if you're pretty confident in yourself that you can carry a nude lip, then go for this. Otherwise, of course, you can use a mixture of 2 to 3 lipsticks, which I personally love to do. So you can definitely mix it up with other lipsticks and this will give you a very bold and a chiseled and a pouty effect on the lips. Next up is this lipstick that I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills when I went to their event, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. It's a satin lipstick. Honestly, I did not have any. अब ये तो इतने mattes and glosses आ गया ना कि I forgot that I have to take lipsticks as well, So that is why I bought this one. This is a beautiful mauve kind of a shade, pinkish mauve shade, which I feel suits so many people. So I have been loving this shade. It's a little expensive, but Nykaa has got discounts and everything these days. I think ये मुझे और cheaper online दिख रहा है जितना कि मैंने लिया था. So you can definitely go ahead. Dusty Rose is the shade and it's a good product for an everyday makeup look. It's a good lipstick. And that is all for my May favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that I shared my personal favorites with you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want such videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.